molecules, we'd like volunteers from the audience. How about the little ones? Have we got 4 hydrogens? That's it, coming close enough to share electrons. Carbon loves hydrogens, and they'll combine with them straight away. Atoms and molecules, may I present methane, CH4.
Carbon has 4 electrons moving around the outer shell. In methane, they form pairs. When 4 hydrogens come and share their electrons, the pairs arrange themselves evenly around the carbon in a tetrahedral shape. Methane is symmetrical.
Now, nitrogen, it's your turn. We have 3 hydrogen, we need a little pressure. Okay, everyone, squeeze and squeeze. Atoms and molecules, may I present ammonia?
The shape is very similar to methane, with 4 electron pairs arranged evenly around the outside. Even though one pair doesn't have a hydrogen, it still occupies a space. Ammonia has more negative charge on one side, making it polar.
Next, we'd like a volunteer with only 2 unpaired electrons. Thank you, oxygen.
Hydrogen is approaching oxygen, but they find each other repulsive because they are both surrounded by clouds of negative electrons. They need to come closer.
What we need is some heat. And we've got the hottest band in town. That should get some energy into the dance. Bump a little harder, get a little closer. These under 18s move fast when heated. The smaller they are, the faster they go. Okay, once more with energy. And again, faster. And we have contact. And the combination is a boomerang-shaped molecule of water. Yeah!
Once again, there are 4 pairs of electrons, 2 of them with hydrogens attached and 2 without. It doesn't matter which pair the hydrogens are on, the shape is always the same. Once again, the negative charges are more on one side of the molecule than the other, so the molecule is polar.
Now we want to form another non-polar molecule. Oxygen and carbon. Could you put your electrons together?
Carbon and oxygen are very similar. They won't combine when they're cold, moving slowly.
More energy, give us more heat. Carbon dioxide.
This time, each oxygen shares 2 pairs of electrons with the carbon, and the molecule comes out straight. Charge is evenly distributed, and the molecule is nonpolar. Normally about this time of the evening, our band has heated the party and the atoms are really jumping. Electrons are loaned and borrowed as atoms look for stable arrangements of their electrons. Meanwhile, Chlorine waits for an answer to her ad. It was getting late. The bouncers wondered whether Sodium would ever turn up. They didn't recognize him when he did.
I've never seen you before. I live at the other end of town from you.
How many electrons you got?
2, then 8, then 1 in my outer shell.
Sodium? You're big for only 11.
It's just white, one electron. It goes all over the place. You just can't control it. My hairdresser says it's the worst he's seen.
All right, go on in then, but you could lose it tonight.
Go for it.
Inside, Sodium sees the element of his dreams.
Oh, she's nice. I hope that's her. Oh, are you chlorine? I'm the answer to your ad.
You must be Sodium. Would you like to get romantic?
Okay. But what if we dance first?
Once they were close enough, Chlorine ripped the electron off Sodium and completed her outer shell. Sodium had shrunk to his inner shell, which is also complete. Now, they were both electrically charged and attracted to each other.
I wish I'd been strong enough to insist on a joint account, like other molecules.
Sodium was quite right. Their bond was different to any of the covalent bonds we have seen tonight. It is called an ionic bond. The electron is not shared, but has been completely removed to the chlorine because chlorine is so strongly attractive. Each of the atoms has become an ion and is changed in size and charge and properties. They attract other ions in all directions. They form crystals. The shape of the crystals depends on the ratio of the ion sizes. They grew tired of each other, and by morning they wanted to split. There was only one way out. Water, being polar, lets them drift apart. The atoms now live a new life as separated negative and positive ions. Their outer shells are now complete. Apart from their charge, they have become like the noble gases. There are many stories in this town, and this has just been one of them.
Oi, where do you want these two?